students. I hope you are enjoying this lesson. Our first lesson is going. In that, the last point of our discussion, it was classification of microbes. That microorganisms are largest in number because their multiplication rate it is very fast. They require very less time. This chart we studied already, that is the prokaryotes, eukaryotes, in prokaryotes bacteria, in eukaryotes protista, fungi and algae. We discussed the characteristics of the bacteria according to the shape, the types of bacteria. We discussed the protozoa, which are the parasitic. After that, the third one it is the fungi. The size of fungi it is approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. These are found in decaying organic matter and dead bodies of plants and animals. Organic matter, that is nothing but the matter which is related or the main content in that matter, it is carbon and hydrogen. It is called as the organic matter. On this matter, these fungi, they use this matter, these dead things for their development, for their food purpose. These are eukaryotic organisms. Some are unicellular and other are visible with naked eyes. We studied in second lecture the diagram of fungi, which may grow in moist place, in moist condition on the surface of bhakri suppose or chapati or dal. It requires the moisture for the growth and we can easily observe. Saprotrophic absorb their food from decaying organic matter. Here this is the definition for saprophytic. They use the decaying matter for their food purpose. They reproduce sexually and asexually by cell division or by budding. These two are the types of the reproduction. Budding, that is nothing but a bud, a bulging like area is formed, which is called as the budding, and both type of cell divisions are observed in the fungi. Examples: Baker's yeast, candida and mushroom. These are the examples of the fungi. Fourth one type it is the algae, शैवाल या शेवाल जिसको बोलते हैं. Size approximately 10 micrometer to 100 micrometer. They are aquatic. Aquatic, what is the meaning of aquatic? They grow in the water. That species are called as the aquatic. Eukaryotic, unicellular and autotrophic organisms. These are the characteristics. One cell is present and self mode of nutrition is there. Photosynthesis is carried out with the help of chloroplast present in the cell. That means green color pigment, which is called as the chloroplast, it is present in that, and therefore they can complete their requirement of food by photosynthesis process. Example: chlorella and calamidomons. Common example it is the chlorella. Apne species of algae are unicellular. Most of them are multicellular and visible with naked eyes. We can see with our eyes. Some are unicellular and most of them, maximum they are the multicellular. The last one it is the viruses. Size approximately 10 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Generally, viruses are not considered as living organisms, or they are said to be organisms at the age of living and non-living. They are studied under the microbiology. These three lines, you have to highlight these three lines because these three lines are very important one. Nowadays we are facing the universal epidemic disease which disturb the total universe in each and every nation. The fear about the COVID-19 is there. The infection, it is spreading very fastly, and that infection. So what is the main characteristics of virus? It is not considered as living organism. वो living organism नहीं रहता है, but वो organism तो है, but it is at the age that is the margin, we can say margin of living and non-living. We can't say it is living, we can't say it is non-living. They are found in the form of independent particles, and when they get a living cell, that may be plant cell or animal cell, they grow, they develop in that host cell. जैसे first characteristics of viruses, they are extremely minute, that is they are 10 to 100 times smaller than the bacteria and can be seen only with electron microscope. And second one, they are found in the form of independent particles. Virus is a long molecule of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, that is ribonucleic acid, covered by a protein coat. Then what is the virus? हम बोल रहे हैं कि वो living भी नहीं है और non-living भी नहीं है. It is present at the age of that. Then what is the virus? So they are the long molecule of DNA. What is DNA? We know that DNA, it is a genetic material. Along with RNA, our characteristics, they get transfer. So viruses are nothing but the molecules of DNA or RNA which covered by a protein coat. A coating only in living plant or animal cells and produce their own proteins with help of host cell and create their numerous replica. जब वो वायरस को एक आधा लिविंग सेल मिलता है, दैट मे बी फ्रॉम प्लांट सेल और मे बी फ्रॉम एनिमल सेल, इन दैट दे प्रोड्यूस देयर ओन प्रोटीन विच आर इसेंशियल फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ द वायरस एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ होस्ट सेल. होस्ट सेल यानी क्या? जो सेल में वायरस ने एंट्री किया है, जो सेल में वायरस डेवलप हो रहा है, उसको हम बोलेंगे होस्ट सेल. So in that host cell, they produce their own proteins and create their numerous replica. Their number get increase, they get develop, they get replicate. Then they destroy the host cell and become free. When proper replication is occur, then they destroy the host cell. जो सेल में उन्होंने ग्रोथ किया है, वो होस्ट सेल को वो क्या करते हैं? डिस्ट्रॉय कर देते हैं एंड बिकम फ्री. अब फ्री होने के बाद क्या काम रहता है? दीज फ्री वायरसेस अगेन इन्फेक्ट द न्यू सेल, और फिर वो डेवलप जो हो गया है वायरस, वो अगेन दूसरा सेल क्या करता है? सिलेक्ट करता है एज अ होस्ट सेल. उसमें फिर वो क्या करेगा? खुद के रेप्लिकास डेवलप करेगा. इन दिस वे देयर रेप्लिकास गेट डेवलप एंड वायरल इन्फेक्शन इज ऑकर. Viruses causes many diseases to plants and animals. For example, tomato wilt virus. This is the example of virus which can be observed into the plant of tomatoes. और इसका जब इन्फेक्शन टोमेटोज के प्लांट को होता है, then there is a dot like structure is observed on that tomatoes and on that plant surface. So these are the characteristics of the viruses. This is the last one. Do you know here the information about the virus it is, or we can say the examples in human beings? Polio virus is there, influenza virus is there, HIV AIDS virus is there. These three diseases are occur due to the viral infection. In cattle, picorna virus is commonly observed. In plants, specifically species tomatoes, wilt virus, tobacco, mosaic virus, etc. बैक्टीरिया में बैक्टीरियोफेज, that is the viruses attack the bacteria. These are the certain examples of the viruses. Now our first lesson it is over. If any difficulty regarding to this, you can ask me. First of all, you have to read the complete lesson properly, point wise. If there is any difficulty, you can ask me. After that, the time it is for homework. You have to solve the questions from exercise in your notebook. Thank you.